In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your time in Hubstaff. Whether you're on a computer, a phone, or working from a browser, the process is simple and consistent, and by the end, you'll feel confident starting and stopping your work timer the right way. Begin by opening the Hubstaff desktop app, the mobile app, or the web dashboard, whichever you use most. The screens may look slightly different across platforms, but the core flow is the same. Next, log in using your account credentials. Make sure you're on a secure connection and that you're signing into the correct workspace your team uses, so your time goes to the right place. Once you're in, head to the main timer screen. This is your home base. Here, locate the project dropdown. Depending on how your organization set things up, you might see projects, tasks, or both. Think of a project as the larger bucket of work and a task as a specific piece within it. Take a moment to choose the project or task you'll be working on. Picking the most accurate option helps your team understand where time is being spent and keeps reports clean. If you don't see the right project, it may be a permissions or setup issue. Sync your view or check with your admin so you track time to the correct place. With the right project selected, click Start. You'll see the timer begin running immediately. From this point, Hubstaff is automatically tracking the time you spend on that selection. Keep an eye on the running timer so you know it's actively recording. Depending on your organization's settings, additional data may be captured while the timer is running. Activity levels can reflect keyboard and mouse activity to provide a general sense of engagement. Screenshots may be taken at intervals to document work progress. App and URL usage can log which applications and websites are used during tracked time. Not every team uses these features, and they're controlled by your organization's policies. It's a good idea to be aware of what's enabled so you understand exactly what's being recorded. When you finish working or need to switch gears, click Stop. The timer will halt, and your track time will be saved automatically to the project you selected. If you move to a different task or project later, simply repeat the same flow. Choose the new project or task, click Start, and let Hubstaff do the rest. That's all there is to it. Open Hubstaff, log in, choose your project or task, start tracking, then stop when you're done. This simple routine keeps your timesheets accurate and your team aligned.